हेलो पीपल, वेलकम टू शिफ्टिंग गियर्स। और आज के वीडियो में मेरे साथ है मर्सिडीज बेंज की सेकंड जनरेशन GLA एंट्री लेवल SUV। अगर आपको मर्सिडीज बेंज ब्रांड की सबसे सस्ती SUV खरीदनी है, दिस इज व्हाट यू कैन ब्रिंग होम। दिस इज द सेकंड जनरेशन मॉडल। जो पुरानी GLA इंडियन मार्केट में बेची जाती थी, इट लुक्ड मोर ऑफ अ हैचबैक क्रॉसओवर, but this is much larger and this is offering you that typical SUV design DNA, although it is not really all that large because this is the most compact SUV that you can bring home from the Mercedes-Benz stable. अभी जब ये गाड़ी लॉन्च हुई थी, it was introduced at an introductory price tag. Since then, the prices have been increased for this all new GLA here in the Indian market. अगर प्राइसिंग की बात करें तो इस GLA की कीमत शुरू होती है फ्रॉम ₹43,60,000 फॉर दी GLA 200 पेट्रोल मॉडल। अगर आप इस गाड़ी का GLA 220D डीजल मॉडल खरीदते हो, दैट इज प्राइस्ड एट 45.2 लाख एक्स शोरूम। एंड दिस व्हाट वी हैव इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू टुडे इज द GLA 220D 4MATIC इन द AMG ट्रिम एंड दिस मॉडल कॉस्ट्स 47.70 लाख एक्स शोरूम। अगर आपको एक स्पोर्टी GLA वेरिएंट खरीदनी है, यू कैन ऑल्सो ब्रिंग होम द मर्सिडीज AMG GLA 35 4MATIC which is going to cost you 58.80 lakh ex showroom. So that is a lot of money for this small SUV that Mercedes-Benz is offering to you. इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट दी एक्सटीरियर डिजाइन हाइलाइट्स ऑफ दिस कार, क्योंकि ये गाड़ी काफ़ी बदल गई है। दिस इज एन ऑल न्यू GLA compared to the old model, which obviously has been discontinued. So just check it out. The overall silhouette, the overall profile of the car, the dimensions, everything has been changed. अगर dimensions की बात करें तो let me run you through very quickly. First, just look at how the car has been designed compared to the old GLA. This is a whole new car. This is completely different. इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको 4410 mm की लेंथ मिल जाती है. You have a wheelbase of 2729 millimeters. You have a width of 2020 millimeters including the wing mirrors. और इस गाड़ी की हाइट है 1611 millimeters. So this all new Mercedes-Benz GLA, this second generation GLA is definitely much larger than the old model. So on the inside you are going to notice a huge difference because this is more spacious. लेकिन उसके लिए हमने एक अलग इंटीरियर वीडियो अपलोड किया है, so do check it out so that you get to know everything about the feature list, about the equipment list on the inside of this GLA 220D 4MATIC which we have with us today. अभी आज के वीडियो में हमारे साथ इस GLA 220D 4MATIC का AMG लाइन वेरिएंट है। तो सामने आपको एक अलग दिखने वाला फ्रंट एप्रन मिल जाता है. दिस हैज बीन स्टाइल्ड बाय द AMG टीम एंड यू आल्सो हैव द फ्रंट स्प्लिटर इन क्रोम, सो इट एड्स अ नाइस स्पोर्टी टच. काफ़ी सारे ब्लैक एलिमेंट्स भी आपको यहाँ पे दिखाई देंगे. इस गाड़ी के साथ सामने आपको एक डायमंड रेडिएटर ग्रिल दिया गया है विथ क्रोम पिन्स. दिस इज स्पेसिफिक टू दिस पर्टिकुलर मॉडल. इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस एंड इट एड्स अ नाइस माचो अपील टू द फ्रंट एंड डिजाइन. व्हेन यू मूव टू द साइड प्रोफाइल ऑफ द कार, आपको इस मॉडल के साथ 19 इंच के alloy wheels मिल जाएंगे. ऑन द स्टैंडर्ड GLA you get 18 inch rims. These 19 inch AMG 5 twin spoke alloy wheels are lightweight and they look the part as well. इसके बाद साइड प्रोफाइल पे आप देख लीजिए, you are getting a lot of chrome which is around the waistline and you can also notice the chrome around the entire window sill area as well. इस AMG लाइन वेरिएंट के साइड पैनल्स पे आपको ग्रेन्ड ब्लैक फिनिश भी नजर आएगी along with chrome plated inserts. After that, when you move to the rear end of this car, you will notice that you get an AMG rear apron. यहाँ पे आपको बम्पर पे एक डिफ्यूजर लुक भी दिया गया है. Looks very nice and sporty. I really like the design of this particular element over here. It adds that extra bit of appeal to the car's rear end profile. यहाँ पे आपको काफ़ी सारा क्रोम नज़र आएगा and you also have chrome exhaust tips. लेकिन ये जो exhaust tips हैं, they are fake exhaust tips. These are not really the extreme end cans of your exhaust system. So that is something that you have to keep in mind. Overall गाड़ी के साइड प्रोफाइल पे आप देख लीजिए, आपको ज़्यादा AMG की ब्रांडिंग नज़र नहीं आएगी. The only place where you can notice AMG written is on the alloy wheels. Apart from that, you can not see any AMG branding on this GLA 220D 4MATIC on the outside. सामने से जब आप इस गाड़ी को देख लेते हो, you are getting full LED headlights and they look very nice. आपको LED DRLs भी दिए गए हैं. You get a lot of chrome elements over here in the headlamp cluster. आपको gloss black dark theme यहाँ पे नजर आती है, so it gives it a nice contrasting look. And these are high performance LED headlamps. इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको fog lamps नहीं दिए गए हैं. But this headlamp cluster is very nice and sleek, and it is quite a large unit, by the way, and a very small attention to detail that Mercedes-Benz has put in is come up close over here. Headlamp cluster पे भी आपको ये 3-pointed star नजर आएगा. I really like such subtle elements which highlight how much the brand is trying hard to please the customer and to make sure that their car looks premium and looks the part and justifies the cost. इसके बाद आप देख लीजिए बम्पर सेक्शन पे आपको काफ़ी सारी ग्लॉस ब्लैक एप्लिक देखने मिलेगी. एंड अगेन दिस बम्पर इज स्पेसिफिक टू दिस AMG लाइन. लुक्स वेरी नाइस इन माय ओपिनियन. लेकिन आप हमें कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा इफ़ यू थिंक दैट दिस कार looks good in this AMG line variant or if you would buy the standard GLA variants. Up top on the bonnet you can notice यहाँ पे आपको Mercedes-Benz का बैज दिया गया है, sits very proudly. And then on the grille section you have a very large 3-pointed star which shouts out that this is a Mercedes-Benz when you are looking in your rear view mirror and this car is approaching you. लोगो के ऊपर आप देख लीजिए you have this particular piece over here because this car comes with automatic braking assistance, because if you are not careful the car will brake by itself to avoid a collision. That is a smart feature to have and I really like such touches which are going to ensure your safety in your ownership cycle. Bonnet पे आप देख लीजिए आपको healthy dose of cuts और crease lines नजर आएंगे. They add a nice touch of appeal. They add a nice appearance to the car's front end design, and after that you will notice that this car is an SUV, so it is getting a healthy dose of body cladding all around. So it is just shouting out that this is rough road friendly. Although आप इस luxury SUV को hardcore off-roading के लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं करोगे, but still this car is getting all-wheel drive hardware. This is a 4MATIC variant, but you have to remember that if you buy this AMG 220D 4MATIC variant in the AMG line, this car rides close to 15 mm lower than the standard model. तो आपको थोड़ा कम ground clearance मिलने वाला है. So if you are taking the beaten road, just be careful that you don't scrape the underbelly of this car and you don't damage this car, because it is going to be expensive to fix. But of course none of the luxury car buyers actually go out off-roading with their luxury cars. साइड प्रोफाइल पे मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी इस गाड़ी के alloy wheels दिखा दिए हैं. They fill up the wheel well area quite nicely. You have these squared off wheel arches with body cladding and I think they look quite nice. इस गाड़ी के rear view mirrors पे आप देख लीजिए आपको LED turn indicators दिए गए हैं. You get a puddle lamp, लेकिन आपको इस गाड़ी के साथ 360 डिग्री कैमरा सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है. I really think cars with such high badge value, cars of this price should offer 360 degree camera support, because in the 15 to 20 lakh rupee price bracket you have a lot of other cars which are offering such features and they do make a lot of difference in your ownership cycle. इस गाड़ी का जो B pillar है यहाँ पे आपको gloss black treatment मिल जाती है. You can notice that up top on the roof you have satin chrome finish for the roof rails. इस गाड़ी के साथ रूफ सेक्शन जो है वो ब्लैक्ड आउट है and you are getting a dual pane panoramic sunroof with this GLA SUV which looks fantastic when you are inside the car. तो इस गाड़ी का इंटीरियर वीडियो जो है उसे ज़रूर आप चेकआउट कीजिएगा. डोर हैंडल्स पे आप देख लीजिए you are not getting any kind of chrome treatment, but I am not going to complain about that. Lower down you have already noticed that with the body cladding section you are getting chrome accents over here and the body cladding area is quite healthy. So अगर आप खराब रास्तों पे से इस गाड़ी को चला लोगे, this is going to prevent from your car's paint chipping, so that is going to help you keep your car healthier, looking nicer for longer without too many scratches on the lower body. अभी अगर सिलुएट की बात करें तो पुराने GLA के मुकाबले ये गाड़ी काफ़ी अलग नज़र आती है. The front windscreen is a little more upright, but still you are getting a nice and progressive sloping roofline. Although not very coupe-like, it does look sporty and it does look nice and modern. यहाँ पे आपको एक छोटा सा क्वार्टर ग्लास भी दिया गया है which is going to allow you that extra bit of light inside the cabin so that you feel you are seated in a spacious car. Although this is the most compact SUV that you can buy from the Mercedes-Benz stable. पीछे से जब आप इस गाड़ी को देख लेते हो, you will notice you are going to get full LED tail lamps and they wrap around the tail section very nicely. Half of it is on the tailgate, half of it is on the rear fender. It is actually a two-piece tail lamp unit, but you might notice that this particular cut over here has been very nicely mingled with the tail lamp cluster as well. तो कुछ लोगों को ऐसा लग सकता है that the tail lamp is a three-piece unit. So really good attention to detail. और यहाँ पे tail lamp cluster में भी आपको Mercedes-Benz की branding नजर आएगी. Look at the rear bumper. यहाँ पे आपको ये for air vent देखने मिलेगा. This is not active. This is not going to help in the aerodynamic department at all. This again is specific to the AMG line. आप देख लीजिए lower down on the bumper आपको reflectors भी दिए गए हैं. They are going to help in extra bit of visibility if you have parked your car somewhere. And this diffuser effect is very prominent. मैं already आपको ये दिखा चुका हूँ, but I really like the way it looks. And जब आप इस गाड़ी को follow करते हो, it looks very very sporty. Up top आपको यहाँ पे इस गाड़ी का 3-pointed star नजर आएगा. इसके नीचे आपको इस गाड़ी का रिवर्स कैमरा दिया गया है, but this will pop up only when you engage the reverse gear. Of course, you can notice you have the other branding on the tailgate. You have the GLA 220D branding, which is the variant, and you also have the 4MATIC branding because this is a 4-wheel drive variant. इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको एक roof mounted spoiler दिया गया है, and you have these black appliques on the side as well, because this is going to help in the overall aero efficiency of the car so that it reduces the coefficient of drag, so that this car glides more efficiently through the air and punches hole very nicely and efficiently. So overall ये जो Mercedes-Benz की नई GLA है, in the looks department it is a good looking car, it is a different looking car. तो आप हमें comments में ज़रूर बताइए if you think this all new GLA is the car that you would like to bring home, or if you would spend roughly 10 to 15 lakh rupees less, but you want a bigger car and you will buy something like the Toyota Fortuner or the Ford Endeavour. But if you want the luxury badge, let me tell you, this car is fantastic to drive as well. So for that incremental money that you are paying, you will be a happy driver and you might also be a happy passenger in this car. So do check out the drive video, do check out the interior video of this car and let us know what is your opinion about this second generation GLA here in the Indian market. Till next time, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, press that bell icon. Always guys, drive safe, always wear your seat belts and follow those speed limits.